So, welcome on back to TK's Garage. And last we checked in, we had this car that was stalling and running like crap, and we're back. And we got something else. That is right, guys. It is another Ford Edge, and it is actually not out of gas. That's the one thing that's weird with it. It said 11 miles to empty for like the last 100 and something miles. I don't know what's going on with that, but Ford. This one obviously much nicer. This is a 22. The other one I had was a 19. This one has the new big Ford screen right here in the middle, which is cool. Basically just runs my Apple CarPlay wirelessly, which I like. And then, you know, my AC and radio or whatever is all here. It also does Android Auto as well. You can actually toggle between the two, which is cool. But anywho's, works like a champ. I haven't had really any issues with the Apple CarPlay or anything else. It's worked, you know, pretty flawlessly. And I wanted to give you guys a short update video on it and let you guys know what was going on with it. And major shout out to Enterprise and shout out to JJ over at Enterprise for really looking out and getting, you know, this car, you know, getting me situated in a car that's not stalling and breaking down on the highway. So I appreciate that. It does not look, according to the body shop, that I'm going to get the car before the 4th of July. It looks like I'm not going to get the car till like the 10th or 11th. Depends on tires and wheels, because I have to get tires and wheels for the other side of the car now. We'll have to see, man. I'm hoping we get it, you know, by the 10th or whatever, or by the 11th, but you got to work with what you got to work with, man. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to post a little update. I got a bunch of video content coming for you guys. With the stuff that's going on in LA soon, and I got a bunch of content. I have a bunch of content going live for you guys, period. We do have another Copart walk around for you, but unfortunately it's still uploading and the networks are tripping today, so I figured I'd be able to get this update out first before. And if you want to stick around late this evening, if you're on the East Coast, or, you know, late evening for you guys here on the West Coast, there should be another walk around posted here on the channel. And if it's not too late, maybe we'll do a premiere, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, there you have it. Now you know what's going on, you know, with the BMW. Gave you a little update about what's going on with the rental. This one doesn't have blood splatter on the roof, on the ceiling, so that's a win. And you can see the, you know, the seats, they're not as nice. It doesn't have like the tilting seat thing up top here. They're supposedly the same trim level. I think they took away some of the options as they got newer from the 19, but can't be, I mean, it runs and drives. That's all I care about. So I'm able to get around and do what I need to do. So with that said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys again here real soon.